Welcome back, Cosmic Explorers. Today's lesson is not about memorizing more facts, it's about choosing your next foot. Think of this course as your starter map. You have entered the world of the Mahabharata, touched cosmic ideas, and learned basic storytelling. Now, I will show you what comes next, how you can go deeper, become more creative, and build your own epic interpretations without needing a PhD or a time machine. Quick reminder of where you already are. In the Cosmic Experimental Fast Starter, you have started with the epic's key themes and characters, learned foundational cosmic ideas like Dharma and Karma, and explored how ancient storytelling can connect with modern concepts like quantum physics and cosmology, plus some intro storytelling skills. This is your base camp, and base camps are underrated. Now, one tiny refresher. Super simple. Imagine you reach a fork in a road. If you take the left path, one story happens. If you take the right path, a different story happens. Alternate reality thinking is basically asking, what if the story took the other path? In science, there are ideas and discussions about many possibilities in nature. In our learning journey, we use multiverse as a creative lens, a way to explore alternate outcomes, not as a homework assignment to prove the universe is doing magic tricks behind your back. This lesson is about navigating. So here are the three big doors ahead. Door 1, depth. You understand the unabridged Mahabharata more deeply. Door 2, creation. You become a stronger creator of alternate narratives. Door 3, mentorship. You build your work with closer guidance and community support. Now let's connect these doors to the actual path available in Cosmic Wisdom Collective. On the website, the journey is designed in levels. You have begun at L0 Fast Starter. Next is Dharma Seeker Silver, then Multiverse Viewer Gold, and finally Cosmic Epic Architect Diamond. Each step adds more depth, more tools, and more creative power, like upgrading from a torch to a lantern to a full-blown lighthouse. First major step, Dharma Seeker Silver Membership. This is the path for learners who want to immerse deeply in the unabridged Mahabharata and connects its wisdom with modern concepts like quantum ideas, multiverses, and personal growth. Silver offers multiple in-depth courses and it adds something powerful, a 90-day hackathon-style experience where you apply what you learn, plus learning tools like charts, timelines, and critical juncture maps. If you are the kind of person who loves understanding why did this happen and what did it change, Silver is your playground. Next, Multiverse Viewer Gold Membership. This is where you become more action oriented and more independent. Gold focuses on advanced learning, a do it yourself style, and tactical insights so you can design alternate versions faster and with more confidence. It's for creators who want to ask, if one decision changes, how does the ripple travels across the whole epic? You will also get access to newer alternate versions crafted by the founder and more in-depth reviews of your work. And then there is the Summit Path, Cosmic Epic Architect Diamond Membership. This is built for learners who want personalized guidance, closer collaboration, and a more structured, supported journey to create their own alternate epics. Diamond brings mentorship, a tighter, achiever community with lifestyle sessions, gamified progress, and even options like family inclusion and affiliate opportunities, plus allied resources and leadership style spaces. In simple words, if silver gives you toolkit and gold makes you faster, diamond helps you build your signature masterpiece. One of the biggest engines in the community is the 90-day hackathon, Epic Mastery Quantum Challenge. It's described as interactive missions that guide you from mastering core chapters and events to exploring quantum concepts and then designing your own alternate Mahabharata, supported by live weekly sessions and community discussion, including inner chakra calls. And importantly, you are not doing it blind. You get tools like genealogy charts, timeline flowcharts, and alternate decision maps to make the epic understandable and the creativity structured. Here is a simple way to choose. No stress. Ask two questions. One, do I want depth first or creation first? Do I prefer guided support or more do it yourself style? If you want deep understanding with structure and community tools, that points to silver. If you want to create more independently and move faster with advanced lessons, that points to gold. If you want mentorship and a tighter, high achiever ecosystem, that's diamond. And if you are still exploring, that's perfectly fine. You can stay with L0 lessons a bit longer or explore standalone courses.